Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by defining clear, measurable goals. Pick 1-3 targets like time per day or percent reduction. Then make social apps harder to reach, turn off notifications, move apps off home screens, install limiters. Once done, build a replacement morning routine that fills the void. Read, stretch, or plan. This process forces alternative actions and reduces cue-driven scrolling. Make sure to track baseline usage so you can measure progress and adjust goals weekly. Now you rewire habits by interrupting triggers. When an urge appears, use the 2-minute rule. Do a 2 5-minute alternative like breathing, short walk, or journaling to break automatic scrolling. Next, consolidate checking into 2-3 scheduled slots of 10-30 minutes so you control exposure. Stick to a timer. Also practice 5-10 minutes of mindfulness daily to reduce reactivity. These steps change reward timing and weaken the habit loop. If cravings spike, pause and breathe before acting. To finish, you lock in sustainability. Review results weekly, celebrate percentage improvements, and tighten limits when needed. Add meaningful substitutes, learn a skill, meet people in person, or exercise to refill time with rewarding activities. If you relapse, don't self-blame. Analyze the trigger, restore friction, more limits, app removal, and resume the plan immediately. Make sure to iterate. Small, consistent adjustments beat sudden eliminations, and gradual wins build lasting control over social media use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.